Today we are going to be working on arithmetic sequences, which is where you are skip counting by the same number over and over and over. This formula here is the one that you would find online. This is the one that is in the book game that you are going to play today, and it's the same thing. The only difference is they reverse the order of n minus 1 and d. So let's say you have 2 times 3, it's the same as 3 times 2. Okay, so a to the n means the term that you are looking for. So maybe if you continue the pattern 99 times, it would be that 99th number. A1 is the first number that you start with. And then n is how many numbers you're going to have. And then d is your common difference, which is what you're adding over and over, or possibly subtracting, because that's the same as adding a negative. All right, let's dive a little bit deeper. So let's say we have this pattern here, and we go from 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So 5 would be our A1 term. So a to the nth. Oh, I forgot I can write on my screen. Maybe let me undo that one. A to the nth. And then our first term is 5. And then what are we adding over and over and over? We are adding 2. I'm actually going to use this equation here. We're adding 2 over and over and over. And then how many times? So let's say we are looking for the 26th term. Okay. Actually, let's first take a peek at the 5th term. To get to the 5th term, I drew 4 arrows. I'm only adding that 2 4 times, not 5. Which is why I'd have to take the 5 minus the 1. So if I want the 26th term, I'd be adding on that 2 over and over 25 times. So it's 26 minus 1. All right, so then I'd have to solve this. I have to multiply first. 2 times 25 is 50. And then 50 plus that 5 that we started with would be 55. So that means the 26th term, if I continue this pattern, would be the number 55. All right, let's try this one. All right, our first term is 10. What are we adding over and over and over? The numbers are getting smaller. So we're either adding a negative or we're subtracting. So that would be like a negative 3. So actually, let's see, eraser, negative 3 times, and let's say we want that 21st term. Here you go, buddy. That's Tyler asking for some water. All right, so if we're looking for the 21st term, we would be subtracting 3 20 times. Okay, so again, we took that 21 and then we subtracted 1 from it. So negative 3 times 20 is negative 60. And then negative 60 combined with that positive 10 would be negative 50. All right, let's try one more. All right, our first term is negative 10. And then what are we adding over and over and over? Looks like we're adding 6. All right, let's say we want to find the 101st, that's a really weird number to say, term. So we would multiply this by 100. Okay, so 6 times 100 is 600. And then 600 plus negative 10 would be negative 500. Oh, not negative, oh my gosh, positive 590.